Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to easily rank your new Amazon FBA product on page one of Amazon for whatever search term you're trying to rank for. This is a topic that a lot of people struggle with, and I literally have like a one-stop solution for this. It sounds like BS, it's not. When I rank my products, I do one thing. I go and use one specific tool and it pretty much does everything for me. I'm going to be showing you what that looks like today. This could be the video that flips the switch for you, gets you on the right page with Amazon, finally gets you selling. So with that being said, let's get right to it. All right, so we are here on Amazon. I've just pulled up a product idea. Keep in mind, you still want to analyze your products, do your product research. This is more so like take your product idea and insert it here kind of thing. This will work for anything. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at what the top competitors who make the most sales are ranking for, and we're simply going to advertise against those keywords. It's really, really simple. So for instance, we see the number one non-sponsored. Is this one sponsored? No, they're not. Neither of those are sponsored. Number two position product has only 59 reviews. It sells for $134 and it makes $6,500 per month. This one makes $3,000 per month. That one makes $50,000 per month with 230 reviews, 80 reviews doing 9. So I mean, we could see that there's examples of people who are having success selling their products on this page. So what you want to do, I mean, it's like one click. Like I was not lying in the beginning. Click onto Helium 10's X-ray tool, and they have this cool feature now that allows you to just select things and then hit run keyword search. That's what we're going to be doing. So we'll select that one. That's definitely correct. So the idea here is you want to get like 5 if possible. If there's not 5, well then good for you. You're probably in a good market because there's not a lot of competition to compete against. But hit the run keyword search button. So right here, we've selected the products that are all relevant. You can see by the images here, and then just hit run keyword search. Hey guys, really quick, could you just do me a favor? Now that we've covered that, go down below and hit the like button. It does help me out a lot as a small growing channel, and I appreciate it greatly. If we could get this to 250 likes, that would be awesome. You guys can do it. Thanks so much. Let's get back to it. Now, for those of you who don't know, Helium 10 is a Amazon FBA software. That's the only tool that's required to do this. This isn't going to require multiple softwares. It's like an all-in-one suite, so you do your product research here. You could also do things like keyword research and managing your PPC. So if you don't have it already, there will be a link in the description below. It's 10% off for life for you. So you know, just benefits you and it benefits me because I get a kickback. So it's a great way to support the channel. So if you want that, be one of the links down below. So it's Helium 10. That's all you need to do this. And legitimately, when I rank my new products, this is all that I do. This is the only thing that I do is I come in here, I use this tool, I go to advanced filters, advanced rank. So this tool, I want to break down what this means really quick. There's 2 A fields and there's 2 R fields. A stands for ASIN, R stands for rank. In the minimum A field, we would say, okay, so a minimum of maybe 3 out of the 5 ASINs that we put in are ranking in a minimum position of 1, which would be the first position, and a maximum position of 25th position on the page. And we see what that looks like. So that gives us 50 keywords right here. Sort that by search volume. Wood end table, tree stump stool, tree stump end table. That looks like that's our main one. So these aren't stools. I would probably take that out. Tree stump end table, yes. Gray side tables, I would not do. Wood stump, I would definitely do. Tree coffee table, that's very similar, very, very similar. I would do that. All these. So you can see the reason that they're so close and we didn't have to look through a list of 4,000 filtered keywords, we got that down to just 51 filtered keywords, is because we're using triangulation. We're saying we need at least 3 points of data that are all ranking on organically for page positions 1 through 25. So when we go to Amazon, let me show you what that means. That means any given 3 of these in combination have to be showing up. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. We said 25, but they have to be showing up within those number of rows. 3 of them, not just one. So it can't be a fluke where one's showing up for one keyword. 3 out of the 5 have to show up in those positions on this page. And that's what's giving us such relevant results and high quality keywords. Now, all you have to do, go through here. You saw me kind of doing this a little bit in the beginning. I was clicking through here and I was starting to hit X's on the specific products that were not relevant. So for instance, if we see something like side table stool, that doesn't really even make sense. So we won't use that one. Or accent table large. Not exactly right either. We would want to go through here and get this to the most relevant list of keywords. We could even cut this down by doing something like a minimum search volume of 200 so that we're not seeing all those really long tail keywords that have no search volume whatsoever. We're just focusing on the main ones here. Feel free to adjust that as you want. If you want to target everything above 100, change it. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing here. But then go through and get this down to only the right keywords. And you'll see here, if we were to add all of these up, there's actually several thousand keywords, well over probably 8,000 or 9,000 that relate to this product that we're going to want to rank for. All you have to do then is take that list of keywords, come up here to export, copy to clipboard, and then go drop those into your Amazon PPC campaigns. It could be broad, phrase, exact, put them all into your campaigns. If you don't know how to set up campaigns and you're like, well, how do I do that? It's a longer process than I'm going to put into this video. I made a really good step-by-step guide. It's like 40 minutes long, literally click by click inside of my public selling account, creating new Amazon PPC campaigns from scratch, doing the keyword research. This part of that is so important, and it is the easiest way to get ranked for all of the keywords that you should be ranking for. When we're looking at these keyword research tools now that show us 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 keywords, how are you supposed to possibly pick out all the right ones and know it? You must lose sleep at night thinking about how to do that. This is the best strategy by far that I've figured out how to do that, and I don't even bother doing anything else at this point. I just go see what a triangulation of my best competitors are ranking between 1 and 25 for, and then that's what I focus on. So is that clear? Does that make sense? Ask me any questions down below if you don't understand what we're doing here, or let me know how this is helping you out. With that being said, we are going to wrap it up here for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe down below. If you happen to be new, I appreciate it. It helps me out a ton as a new small channel here on YouTube. Do tons of free content like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much, guys. Later.